hello. I don't really know what to say after that. Today, confession therapies. You know what I'm saying? Confession therapies. I got my suit on. I got my tie on. I may or may not have anything else underneath here, but we back with confessions again. Maybe y'all have changed. Maybe. But yeah, enough said. Let's hop inside the vid. What's your craziest confession?
That's a good question. What is the worst thing I've done? Probably something I've done with you, Adam. So what are we thinking?
Whoa, what does that mean?
No, not like that. Not like that.
Oh,
Like something like
what does
bad
that mean?
Worst thing I can think of right now is when I broke into the abandoned mall.
You broke into an abandoned mall. Wait, is that even illegal? You could get arrested for
Yeah,
that?
it is. Yes, that's trespassing on private property, and you're not allowed to go in abandoned buildings. It's illegal.
That's such a stupid law. That guy was just beating his dick to me, bro. Yo, that is crazy. No, not you. So no, why would it be? What's your craziest confession?
When I was in 7th grade, I had this girlfriend. Her name was Casey. I was new to a lot of sexual experiences at the time. I've never really done anything. She was my first sexual partner. Mm-hmm. So we did normal stuff. We did a lot of vanilla stuff. I was 13, 12 at the time. She was 16, 15. She was a little, yeah. That's not, it gets worse. It gets worse. So one day she comes over. We at this point, she's been coming over. It's summer at this point. She comes over every other week, every other day. And then one day, she texts me, she's like, oh, I'm on my period. This shit sucks, blah, 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 blah. But it was oh, whatever. It's cool. So she comes over the next day and we're just chilling, cuddling in my bed. And she was like, you want to fuck? I was like, what? Aren't you in? And she was like, I mean, yeah, but I was like, nah, I don't know if that's a good idea. And she literally she begged me to do that shit, and then I did it. I fucked on a period.
So there was just blood everywhere.
No, it was actually a pretty limited amount. It was just on my sweatpants, on the crotch area of my sweatpants. I had to dispose of those and burn them. But other than that, I hate that bitch now though. I do not like her. She cheated on me with my ex, or not my ex, my homeboy. And then when the truth came out, bro, she was like, "Oh no, he raped me." And then I later found out she lied. She just sucked that nigga dick in the restroom.
Oh my God!
Lying.
What's your craziest confession, man?
I don't know English. Can you talk in Hindi?
No.
I got a question.
I got a question too. What the frick? Okay,
go ahead. I want to hear yours.
No,
mine you probably won't like, so go ahead.
What do you mean I won't like?
Just go ahead and ask your question.
Okay. What's y'all's craziest confession?
This guy's probably got a good one, but I don't know if he wants to say it. I hate Jews. Oh, that's pretty average nowadays.
Whoa. Wait, what'd you say?
Anyway, I hate Jews.
But what did they ever do to you? What? Well, you just racist, bro.
And that's also why I hate niggers.
I knew it was coming, bro. Dude,
okay, now can I ask my questions?
Go ahead.
You seem like a cool guy.
Go ahead,
okay,
bro.
So now the first one I think is pretty self-explanatory. Why are you black? Right?
Crazy confession. Getting a hand job at the movies.
Was this while the movie was going on?
Yes, nigga. But hold on, wait, hold on, right? Bro, here's the crazy part, right? Me and this girl were talking for 4 months, right? Nigga, right. After that, we link goes to movies. I'm not on the crazy shit, you feel me? I'm not on the crazy shit. Me, her cuddling, kissing. That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm looking for. Cuddling, kissing. Nothing. She's cuddling. She gets her hands and she starts putting her hands like in my pants. And after she starts, you know what I'm saying, going from there. Like she
So,
initiated.
in your mind, what made you go, this is okay?
For what? For like her like
shit. Nigga like me going to the police and file for sexual assault.
Ew.
Whose fucking kid is this, bro?
Hey, chill.
Hey, little nigga, go to bed, bro. Go to bed, little nigga.
I'll take your glasses, cuz. I'll just like, I'll just shit.
Spider-Man. Hey, what's y'all craziest confession?
Bro, I got it. I got this. I fucked my girl next to my brother and my girl's older sister while they were sleeping on the couch.
That is a true story.
That's a confession. He knows about it.
Wait, were you awake?
Yeah, I was awake.
He was fucking his girl and his brother.
No,
and
I'm
his...
talking about you, nigga. You, yes.
He wasn't there. Nah, he wasn't there.
I'm not his brother.
My brother is somebody else, but my brother and his girl was sleeping on the couch in the corner, and then his girl's little sister, which was my girlfriend at the time, was with me, and we was on the couch right next to them, and we was getting down, and then we just stopped. At one point, we just stopped. It was like 5 o'clock in the morning.
I fucked my girl. This is something I don't think you know. So one day, my sister was in my room and she wanted to lay down in my bed. You know, my sister, I don't care. But me and my girl were in my bed. She laid down on me and my dick was in my girl. So my sister was right next to my girl, but I was fucking her. And my sister didn't know.
Okay, so both of y'all niggas just like fucking next to people. That's what it is. That's what it is.
Yo, bro, but look.
Ooh, me, you, in the fire. No. Boat beach. Fat ass beach, big the fat.
You beg my shit. Oh God. What's your craziest confession?
Ooh, God, I gotta be careful because my baby mama's in jail and I can really say some shit right here. But let me tell you, she's got some sisters, and buddy, they got some good stuff down there. You know what I'm saying?
You
I ain't
cracking
gonna
her
say
sisters?
both of them, older and
Wow, she's
young.
in jail?
And before that too. I've been fucking them for years, buddy.
Yo, real quick, what's your craziest confession?
I fucked my stepmom.
Cap.
Where to, bro?
Where to what?
Where to, bro?
Who's bro?
This nigga right here.
What's your craziest confession?
I beat up my ex. She wasn't really my ex. She was like a sneaky link. I beat her up. She got annoying. Slapped in the face. Not really.
Wait, I just registered what you just said. Wait. Where the fuck is my pen? Okay, so you said you just said you beat your ex?
Yes, she deserved it.
Like mercilessly.
Yeah, just like a little punch. Wasn't that big of a deal.
That's pretty big fucking deal. Yo.
It's good, bro.
Real FN shit, you know what I'm saying? Real FN shit, you know what I'm saying? What's y'all's craziest confession?
I'm gay.
I grew into this one girl, all right? She was in my school, but she was 2 grades younger than me. I'm in 8th grade, she was in 6th grade, but she was bad as fuck. And she was thick as fuck. She light skinned, her name was Ava. She was so thick, I swear. She's thick right now. She's thick right now. I'm in 8th grade.
For real?
Yes, all my life.
That is so weird. Beating to somebody in your school that you see every day?
Yeah.
What do y'all think? What do y'all think, bro?
How the fuck did you beat her? You took a picture and took it
Nah,
up?
her TikTok, she followed me.
You were on her TikTok just beating your shit.
No, I
I guess it's gonna wrap up the video. So, woo!